Hi, I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group, and I'm here in front of our latest listing in North Park. It's 2344 Commonwealth Avenue. This location is right on the cusp of South Park. It's a beautiful little neighborhood you'll love. It is the house itself is a mid-century 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom featuring a large master bedroom that has a patio that looks out to the canyon. But that's not even the best part of this house. The best part is that it sits on a 16,000 square foot lot, which is mostly usable, and it has a beautifully designed backyard area with a custom movie screen for outdoor theater, speakers, a fire pit, it even has a custom rock climbing wall. So tell me what you think. Let's go inside and take a look. Thanks for watching. Stop by our open house this Saturday and Sunday. We'll be here from 1 to 3 p.m. If you would like a private showing, reach out to our team. We look forward to seeing you there.